want some attention. Mess with me and you won't get no mention. Okay, at all.
Yo, hello, it's Revi here, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make the thermal skull visualizer, which I thought looked very cool. And if you guys want to support me in any way, I have a website which has some editing packs that could improve your editing. And yeah, let's get right into this tutorial here. So the first thing we're going to do is to change the composition settings here. So you're going to go up to composition settings, boom, and here I have FHD for the moment, but I'm going to change it to VHS resolution here. So the width is going to be 640 and the height is going to be 480, and I like to use 15 as frame rate for this visualizer here. So you're going to press OK, and after you have changed your settings here, you're going to make a new solid layer here, and here you're going to add element 3D. And now we're going to open up Scene Setup, and here you're going to import a 3D skull module, which I've linked in the description, so you guys can go and download that and download it and import it to the Scene Setup here. And it should look something like this when you have imported it. And then you're going to go to presets, physical, choose chrome, so you get something shiny here, and then press OK. Now we're going to open up group 1, particle replicator, rotation, and also particle look here. And we're going to start off by changing the X rotation here to -90, so we can see the skull face to face basically. And we're also going to keyframe the X rotation at 0 in the beginning, and we're going to increase the scale as well. So I'm going to set the particle size here to 44.3. Let's get a more close-up view of the skull. And now we're going to go to the ending of your animation, which is going to be 6 seconds, and then go 2 whole laps on the Z rotation here, and 2. So now it's going to loop, as you guys can see. And then you're going to press Ctrl-Alt-Y to make a adjustment layer. And here we're going to add the thermal preset I showed you guys in my thermal camera effect tutorial, which will be linked in the description. So feel free to go watch that first. You can already see some of the settings here, but all of the settings will be in the tutorial. Your skull should look something like this here. It looks very clean. And after you have added your thermal camera effect, you're going to make a new adjustment layer again, so Ctrl-Alt-Y. And here we're going to add Omino diffusion. And here we're going to set the error across to 1.005 and the error aside to 0.005. And then the direction should be left, depending on what look you guys want. But for me, I'm gonna have it at the left. The color count should be 6, and you're going to change some colors here. So the color 2 should be a lime green here, just like that. The color 3 is going to be a cyan type of look here, something like that. And then color 4 should be purple, pretty dark purple. Color 5, yellow. And then color 6 should be red. So now it looks something like this. Still got the thermal effect on it. And after that, we are going to be adding a background to this. And you're going to right click here, new, make a solid layer, and change the color here to a cyan. Something like this here. Drag it all the way down, and you will get this kind of look here. It looks very cool. And you're going to add 4 color gradients here, and you're going to change the color to this pink here. So copy it to all of the other color positions, and then change the blending mode to color. And after that, you're going to add glitchify to this and delete the image glitch here. And if it looked weird, you can adjust here on the Omino diffusion to get a look you guys like. Something like this maybe. Change the glitchify amount here. So yeah, something like this looks pretty cool. You just have to mix around a little bit with the Omino settings here and the glitchify settings here on the background to get a look you guys like. And when you're satisfied with that, you're going to make a new adjustment layer, Ctrl-Alt-Y again, and here you're going to add the CRT preset. And if you don't have this preset, I have made a tutorial on it, which will be linked in the description, so you guys can go watch that and get the preset. If you have added it and are satisfied with your look, you're going to pre-comp all of the layers here. Select them all, right click, pre-compose, and here name it. And here you're just going to open up the layer and adjust the position, the scale, and everything so you get a look you guys like. I'm gonna increase the scale here a little bit, just like that. And as I said before, if you're not satisfied with the look, you can just change the colors, the glitchify settings, the Omino settings to get a look you guys like. But this is how it turned out. And if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. And if you guys have any new ideas on tutorials I can make, please comment that down below. And don't forget to check out my socials, check out my website, and join my Discord server. And I will see you guys soon. Take care and have a nice day.